I'm going to explain the negative myth. It does not matter where you put your negative on slope. In fact, negative 3/5 is the same as this, and it's also the same as this. And I'll show you why. Remember, we know slope is rise over run. We know that the top number tells you how to rise or go up and down. The bottom part of the slope tells you how to run left or right. So if I'm going to look at the slope with the negative attached to 3, that's telling me that you are going down 3 because it's negative, and then to the right 5. That slope will work. That slope tells me exactly actually how to get from point A to point B. If I go to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I go down 3, it will bring me to point B. If I were going to do this slope with the negative attached to the 5, that's telling me how I'm getting from point B to point A. If I rise, go up 3, and then if I go to the left 5, that will bring me from point B to point A. So where you attach the negative doesn't really matter. One tells you how to go one direction from point to point, and the other will tell you how to go the other direction. So sometimes when I'm writing just slope generically, I just kind of put the negative right out directly in front.